Some of the most capable off-road pickup trucks on the market are the Ford Ranger Raptor and Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro. Toyota unveiled a completely new Tacoma design for the 2024 model year, adding more enhancements to the entire lineup. A more powerful hybrid powertrain, a stronger chassis, and more technological features are added to the 2024 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro. Ford has unveiled the brand new Ranger Raptor, a scaled-down version of the speed-defying F-150 Raptor, for 2024. In addition to having a powerful twin-turbocharged V6 engine, the 2024 Ford Ranger Raptor also has a more aggressive exterior look, higher ground clearance, and a distinctive Ford grille. Let's explore these all-terrain pickup trucks and guide you in selecting your favorite. The TNGA-F platform, also used by the all-new Sequoia and Tundra, is what the 2024 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro is based on. Similar to these full-size versions, the 2024 Tacoma's platform has high-strength steel with blanking and laser welds to aid boost rigidity compared to its forerunner. As a further weight-saving measure, Toyota uses aluminum on the top body. To raise the Tacoma's ride height, Toyota installed the recently released multi-link rear suspension. Larger front brake packages are added to Tacoma TRD versions, and larger rear brake packages are added to models with the iForce Max drivetrain. With 2 inches higher front and 1.5 inches higher rear suspensions, the Tacoma TRD Pro has a more commanding stance than before. In addition, it has a wider front and rear than the Tacoma SR5. When it comes to wheels and tires, Toyota equips the Tacoma TRD Pro with 33-inch Goodyear Territory RT rubber on TRD rims. The Tacoma TRD Pro comes with the TRD Cat back exhaust and TRD Performance air intake, which improve the performance of the iForce Max power plant, which is standard on the vehicle. The 2024 Ranger Raptor, on the other hand, has a purposeful design from Ford. The Ranger Raptor's projector headlights with LEDs assist illuminate the trails from the front. Ford also adds lighting to the headlights in the C-clamp style. A front bumper made entirely of steel with integrated tow hooks is also included with the Ranger Raptor, along with large FORD writing on the grille. To accommodate the more aggressive 33-inch BF Goodrich all-terrain KO3 tires, the 2024 Ranger Raptor receives flared fenders in contrast to the original Ranger and functioning fender vents. With a substantial front bash plate, engine, transfer case, and fuel tank shields, Ford significantly upgrades the underbody's safety. Toyota Safety Sense TSS 3.0 is standard on all 2024 Toyota Tacoma models. A pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assistance, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assistance, road sign assistance, automatic high beams, and proactive driving assistance are just a few of the impressive safety and convenience systems that are introduced by the Safety Suite. Other features such as blind spot monitor, rear cross-traffic alert, and hill assist control are added to the 2024 Tacoma lineup in addition to TSS 3.0. The most basic driver assistance technologies are included as standard equipment in the 2024 Ford Ranger series. Some Ranger models also come with optional packages from Ford. Fortunately, these extras are reasonably priced. Forward collision warning, automated emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert are among the safety features that come as standard. The inside of the 2024 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro is opulent and loaded with standard technology. The most notable of these features are a head-up display, power retractable side steps, a top-of-the-line JBL audio system, a 14-inch infotainment touchscreen, a power sunroof, a digital rearview mirror, etc. Likewise, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are standard on the 2024 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro. Among its numerous features is a 12.4-inch infotainment touchscreen that is placed vertically on the 2024 Ford Ranger Raptor. The system customizes the most recent Sync infotainment system from Ford. Another bonus for the driver is a sizable 12-inch digital gauge cluster, a 12-speaker Bang & Olufsen music system, integrated navigation, and multiple charging points are all included as standard on the Ranger Raptor. Wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are also included. There are 8 different Tacoma trim levels for the 2024 model year: SR, SR5, TRD Pre-Runner, TRD Sport, TRD Off-Road, Limited, Trail Hunter, and TRD Pro. The starting MSRP for the base Tacoma SR is expected to be around $28,000. However, Toyota has not yet updated the pricing data. Both double cab and extra cab configurations are available for the 2024 Tacoma SR and SR5 models. Only the extra cab version of the Toyota Tacoma TRD Pre-Runner will be offered in 2024. The double cab is the only vehicle that comes in the remaining trims. Ford, on the other hand, maintains a lean lineup for the 2024 Ranger with only 4 model levels: XL, XLT, Lariat, and Ranger. A 4-cylinder engine, 10-speed automatic transmission, 17-inch aluminum wheels, cloth bucket front seats, and other features are included in the base Ranger XL model, which has a starting MSRP of $32,565 for the vehicle. Only crew cabs and roomy 5-passenger seating are offered on any 2024 Ranger model. A 2.4-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder engine will be standard on all 2024 Tacoma variants. The base Tacoma SR model receives a 6-speed manual transmission as standard, however the engine is available in a variety of configurations. The engine has 228 horsepower in its base form. The engine's outstanding output of 278 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque is found in the SR5 and Pre-Runner. The iForce Max hybrid package is available for the 2024 Tacoma TRD Pro, which combines the gasoline engine with an electric motor to provide 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. Toyota includes a performance air intake system and a catback dual-tipped exhaust system in the TRD Pro. For the 2024 Ford Ranger pickup vehicle, there are 3 engine choices. The 2.3-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder base engine, which has 270 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, is offered in the XL, XLT, and Lariat trim levels. In the XL, XLT, and Lariat grades, Ford provides a 2.7-litre twin-turbocharged V6 with 315 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque as an available engine. A more powerful 3.0-litre twin-turbocharged V6 with an astonishing 405 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque is added to the top dog 2024 Ranger Raptor. Here's why we would choose a Tacoma. First off, it's important to note that the Ford is the superior option for pure off-road performance. With 2 lockers rather than 1 and V6 engine, it delivers a suspension that is better capable of being driven off-road. Better off-road skills, meanwhile, might not always be that crucial in the big picture of a truck's capabilities, unless you plan to use it only as a weekend toy. Since most of these cars won't be utilized only for extreme desert bashing, their practicality in daily life is what matters most. The Tacoma is a better all-around vehicle, in our opinion, which is the only factor supporting our decision. Its hybrid engine provides excellent power while simultaneously providing excellent efficiency. Hybrid vehicles will be on the road for a much longer than gas-powered versions, making it more future-proof. The inside is also one of the best in its class, offering greater comfort and a host of modern amenities. With that being said, did that help you decide what to buy next? Share your thoughts in the comment box below. And if you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. For more videos about EVs, Toyota, Tesla, Ford, and the most recent auto news, please consider subscribing to Tech Addicts.